Hello viewers, how are you doing out there? I hope you are doing great. My name is Rafi Yakub from Excel Graphics and Multimedia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design products pouch. But before we get the tutorial started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do it now. And also make sure that whenever you watch my video, drop the comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you feel about my content. So let's get the tutorial started. Alright viewers, in this tutorial I'm using Corel X5. Alright, so you can use any Corel fashion to achieve this particular design. So the first step to take now is to create a new document. Let's go to File, then click on New. Alright, so let us name our design Product Plastic Product Pouch Design. Alright, so the next thing to do is to set our width to be 1255 pixels, then our height should be 2150 pixels, then the resolution should be 300. The color should be CMYK. Then once you are done with the setting, you click on OK. Right, here is our document for this particular design. So the next step to take now is to zoom in the entire document so that we can see the shape of our page. Go to Zoom Tool, then go to the menu bar and select minus. This is the entire document. Okay, so the next thing to do is to create a page border. How are we going to do that? Just come to the rectangle bar, rectangle tools, then double click on it. So the page border will automatically update. Right, so the next step to take now is to zoom out the entire page. Go back to Zoom Tool, then click on plus at the menu bar, and the entire page will zoom out. So the next step to take is to go to our pick tool. So we can scroll up now and see the beginning of the page. Alright, so now let us start our pouch design. So another step to take now is to go to Eclipse Tools. When you click on Eclipse Tools, press down your Shift key, normal click and drag to draw a perfect eclipse. Then take your eclipse to the product pouch background, Shift key and drag it out to make it bigger. Alright, go to Edit, copy, and go back to Edit again and paste to duplicate this circle. Alright, go back to Edit again, click on Copy, go back to Edit and click on Paste. Alright, go back to Edit again, click on Copy, then Edit again, click on Paste. Go back to Edit again, click on Copy, go back to Edit again, click on Paste. Alright, so the next step I'm going to take now is that these 5 eclipse shape, I'm going to group them together. Go back to your pick tools, then pick everything this way, Shift key and click on the last shape. Everything has been picked. So go to the menu bar and select Word. Alright, so this is exactly what we are going to get when we word it together. Then go back to the rectangle shape, delete it away. Alright, go back to rectangle shape again, then double click to update the new page border. Alright, so the next step to take now is to go back to our toolbar and look for Smart Fill tools. Click on Smart Fill. Then we fill this particular place with our Smart Fill tools. Okay. Go back to Pick Tools. Then delete this segment away. Right click on it and choose Delete. Alright. So the next step to take now is to bring in our stock photo. Alright. Go to Import. So when you get to import, then this is my stock photo. I'm going to import it. And press P to centralize the stock photo. Okay. The next step to take now is to color our shape using green. Then go to the color palette. At the top of the color palette here, right click on the white envelope. Then you take away the outline color. Alright. So the next step I'm going to take now is that I want to duplicate this shape. Go to Edit, click on Copy, then go back to Edit again, click on Paste. Okay, that has been duplicated. So the next step I'm going to take now is that what I will do is I want to rotate it to mirror vertical, alright, then mirror horizontal. Okay, now the next step I'm going to take is that I will press Shift key on my keyboard and click on the background shape. Then go to Arrange. Look for Alignment. Then when you get to Alignment, just align it to bottom or press P on your keyboard to automatically align, just like this. Okay. Now, the next step to take is to type in the name of our product image. Okay. Go to the text tools. Then from text tools, go to the menu bar and select your font. So this font I'm using Nexa. I'm using Nexa Bold. Then increase the font size to, let's try 36 and see. Let's try 48. So all in capital letter, Moringa. That's the name of the product. Press Ctrl A to highlight it. You can as well increase. No, 48 is okay. Then you now take it. Press the Pick tools, then press P on your keyboard to centralize the text. I need a guide ruler. Alright. So click on the product name, take it up a little bit, just like this. Alright. So the next step to take now, I need a rectangle. Click on rectangle tools, then Shift key and normal click to drag and drop. Alright, taking my rectangle tools to be at the top. Alright, so in this rectangle, I'm typing something inside here. So go back to the text tools, go to the font style and change the font style to be Arimo. Okay, I'm using Arimo for the second font. I'm using a remote board. So 100% Control A, highlight, using a remote. A remote board. Alright, I have to increase the font size to make it bold. Put somewhere here. Alright, press Shift key and click on this rectangle. Go to alignments and align it to the center. Alright, it has been aligned. Then double click the shape to open the transform tools, then rotate it just like this. Alright, then change this color to green. Then pick this, press Shift key on your keyboard and pick the second rectangle. Shift key and drag in to resize the shape. Then go to the menu bar and click on group. And we now take it inside. Alright, so the next step to take now is to type another text. Go back to your text tools, then type 100% moringa, okay, powder leaf. Press Ctrl A to highlight, and go to the font style and change the font style to Railway. Railway board. Then increase the font size to 36 is okay. Then change the color to green also. Then go back to your pick tools and you can now pick it. So reduce the font size to 24. Then press P to centralize it. Now you can now take it up at the bottom of moringa. Okay, so let's take our stock photo down a little bit. Alright, then right click on this guide roller and choose delete. Okay, so the next step to take now is to write another text by putting the company name. Go back to your text tools and write the company name, that is Excel Graphics, Excel Foods Limited. Press Ctrl A to highlight, then go to your menu bar and change the font style to Nexa. I'm using Nexa board now. Then go back to your pick tools and click on it. Then go back to the background of the design. Press Shift key and click on the background of the design. Go to Arrange. When you get to Arrange, look for Alignment. Then when you get to the alignment, align to the top. It's going to be aligned. Then go back to Align again. Align to the top of the page. All right, so now we can now take it inside. So we have to change this color to white. Right, that's the name of the product. So the next thing to do now is to write the product weight. So to go back to text tools to write the product weight, and type whatever the weight is. The weight is 454 post of G. Then press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Go back to the menu bar and change the font size to Roboto. Choosing Roboto bold. Then reduce the font size to let's see 12. And now pick it to be this place. All right, then change the color to white. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring in some of product brand shape. Go to import. When you get to import, then you import your stock photo. Right, shift key and drag in. All right, so the next step I'm going to take now is to type some of the things the product is working for. Okay, go back to your text tool and type some of the things the product is working for. Then boost energy. Control blood pressure. Improve immune system. Then press Ctrl A to highlight. Go back to the menu bar and change the font size, font style. Change it to Lato. So for this one, I'm using Lato bold. Okay, then go back to that was a mistake. So go back to the font style, font size, and reduce it to 14. Okay, and take it here. All right, then go back to the font style. We use Lato. So Lato bold.
think the font is not going to be easy to use. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is look for star shape. Go to your basic shape and look for star shape. It's not there. Okay, so we can use Eclipse in this case. Go to Eclipse strip, then shift key and draw the dots. Okay, you draw a dot like this, then give it a green color. Take away the outline color, then go back to Pick Tools. You can zoom out the entire document so that you see what we are going to do. Go back to the Pick Tools. Now we can take the Eclipse here. Okay, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and you click on OK. Then Ctrl D again to duplicate it. So let us zoom in the entire document. Go back to Zoom tool, then go to the menu bar and select minus. So I hope you learn one or two things as far as this tutorial is concerned. We have come to the end of the part 1 of our Poch design. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the part 2 of the design. Bye.